Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is my enhancement video for CIT 336 Enhancement 4. So this week we're going to create a couple new pages. So first off, you can see my active page. We go to the page that we're creating, so it's our product pages that we're supposed to make. So here you can see our product managed pages with the add product, add a category, and add product. First I'll show you the validations for this. I'll use the CSS. I'm going to do the CSS once because it's pulling from all of the pages, and you can see that there are no errors found. I'll go back and also do the HTML for this page. You can see that there's no errors found here either. Okay, so now we'll go back and we'll go to add a category page. We'll first do the HTML for this page. You can see that there are no errors shown for this page either. So now we'll actually add a category. So we'll just add rope to this page. And you can see it brought us back to the project manager page and it says welcome to the project manager page. And it added that category right here. To prove that it added it, we'll go to the PHP and go to categories. And you can see that it added it into our database here. We'll now go back over and go to add a product and validate this page. And you can see there are no errors here either. Go back and actually add a product. So in this one, it gives you a drop down menu of all of the products, all the categories that we have of where we can add a product. I'm going to add in a product here of gunpowder. Just put in a bunch of stuff here. Okay, so we have it all in. So we add product. Then we can go over to the local host and in inventory. And we see that it has added it here. Now if we go back and do the same thing again, I'm going to skip that. Okay, so now you can see that I have new information in, and this time I left a thing blank. Say that I forgot to put it in. Oh. And then we go down and add this one. And it comes back and says please provide information for empty fields. So that tells me that before I forgot to add something. So that is my pages for this week's enhancement. Thank you very much.